I'm so fast.
My camera's not good enough. Hannah, yours is better. You have a 5. I have like a 3 point something.
That just sounds so cool.
It's our techno right there. Skylar's butt crack.
Like every 5 seconds.
Yeah, no shit.
Did you get this on video?
I'm videotaping it.
Still?
Uh-huh. What up, fool?
Don't throw any more rocks down. I think you know that.
We inferred. Hopefully I won't die while videotaping. Ow! I don't know what that was.
Look at this rock. What's that?
It's an intense rock.
Sorry.
If you like die for that rock, dude.
Oh, it's split into 2.
That was like a quarter pipe. We should sit in this thing.
Yeah. I've been forgetting to hold the camera up.
Okay.
Just kind of swinging around. Look at the orange.
Let's take a nice seat, not with that broken glass.